Good morning, students. Welcome to Woodbine Modern School YouTube channel. I am Vinay Kumar, a teacher of English. Today, I am going to teach you tense. This chapter is prescribed in the standard 9th and 10th. I think that a lot of students have no textbooks. So I think I start today tense. Firstly, I would like to tell about the tense. What is tense and from where this word has been derived from. Students, tense is a word which has been taken from the word tempus, and tempus is a Latin word. Tempus is a Latin word, and tempus means time. Tempus indicates the time. So, tempus is the Latin word, and from tempus, tense word has been derived. Now, give the definition of tense. So, regarding the definition of tense, we can say that a tense is a form of verb. A tense is a form of verb which shows the time at which an action happens. There are three kinds of tense. There are three kinds of tense. The one is present tense. The second is past tense. And the third is future tense. Firstly, I would focus on the definition of the tense. Kinds of tense. Regarding present tense, the form of the verb that indicates the present time is said to be in the present tense. Verbs of present tense are is, am, are, do, does, has, have, V1 and V5. Similarly, now let us proceed to the definition of past tense. The form of the verb that indicates the past time is said to be in the past tense. Verbs of past tense are was, were, did, had. V2 means second form of the principal verb. Similarly, regarding the definition of future tense, the form of the verb that indicates the coming time is said to be in the future tense. Verbs of this tense are will and shall. So this way, these are the definitions of present tense, past tense and future tense. By now, I think you understand that there are three kinds of tense and there are four kinds of each kinds of tense. Before starting the kinds of each tense, I would like to teach you all the verbs which are used according to the number and person of the subject with the help. Firstly, I write all the subjects in the diagram, then I detail the all verbs. First, subjects. I, we, you, he, she, it, only, one, name, person, thing, and animal. They more than one names, persons, things, and animals. Also, these, those. like, as for example, among the verbs is, am, are. I takes, am, we are, you are, he, she, it, only one name, person, thing, and an animal, this and that. Is and they, more than one names, persons, things, and animals. Take, are. Now, between was and were. I was, we were, you were, was, were. Has, have. Between the verbs has and have. I takes, have, we have, you have, anyone has and have. Similarly, between do and does. I takes, do, we do, you do, does, do. Now, principal verbs, first form and fifth form. I take V1, you V1, you V1, third person, singular number subjects, V5. Similarly, third person and plural number subjects take V1. This way, and between will and shall. I shall, we shall, rest subjects take will. Similarly, had is used with all the subjects. And now proceed to the use of did. Did is also used with all the subjects. So this is the diagram. I hope students, this diagram will help you to memorize the forms of the verb with the number and person of the subjects. So this is for today. After this, in the next class, I will start the tense with the kinds of each tense. I think you will remember this diagram, the relation between subjects and verb, carefully and sincerely also. Hope for betterment. Thank you.